Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hazel Lobo and I've started this YouTube channel to share all the skills of cooking and all the recipes that I learned from my mom. And today is my first vlog because it's a very special day. It is 5th of April 2024. It's my mother's 65th birthday. I'm sure if she was here with us, we would have had a very big celebration with all family and friends. But unfortunately, we lost her 5 months ago to a deadly disease, and she's in heaven. But I'm sure she's having even bigger celebration up there with angels, Jesus, Mother Mary, everyone. She was an amazing cook. She used to love cooking. She used to try so many different recipes, and everyone around her, family, friends, neighbors, everyone loved her food. Whenever there was an occasion, they would call my mom home to cook a buffet, and she would very happily and willingly cook food for everyone, and it used to always turn out amazing. So I have her skills of cooking and I have learned quite a lot of recipes from her. So on this channel, I'm going to share all those recipes, and I'm also going to explore other continental dishes and other new and unique recipes, and I'm going to share it with you all. This channel is going to be food related and also vlog related, mainly of food, of course. So to honor her on this day and to celebrate my mom today, I prepared a few of her favorite dishes. So that is crepe shekshe, jeera rice, paneer masala, and for dessert it is her famous recipe that everyone enjoyed and loved. She used to prepare it in bulk and send it across to all family members, and they used to love the recipe. So it's the Goan Seviyan, which is a milk dessert with vermicelli. Since this is going to be a vlog, I'm just going to share one recipe today. That's the vermicelli dessert recipe. Whereas if you want to know the crepe shekshe recipe and paneer masala, please comment down and I will post that for you. So to prepare the Goan Seviyan, heat around half liter of milk and add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, around half cup of sweetener of choice, and bring everything to a boil. In a separate deep pan, heat around 3 tablespoons of ghee and roast any chopped nuts. I have taken almonds, cashew. You can also include pistachios. Roast them well and then add 3 cups of vermicelli and roast until they change color. Once well roasted, add the boiled milk and keep stirring continuously. Cook on low to medium flame while stirring continuously until it thickens in consistency. Check for sugar and edges as per your liking. And the delicious Seviyan is ready to serve. So here I am preparing a bouquet of roses to be kept at the altar. And these are such beautiful colors of yellow, orange and red. So for dinner I prepared jeera rice, sausage chili, paneer masala by my husband and crepe shekshe. And for dessert it's Goan Seviyan. These are all of mom's favorite dishes. This is the cake that was cut in Goa for my mom and my nephew, as his birthday is also coming up. And this is a small dinner spread prepared by my family in Goa. All of mom's favorite dishes. So that's prawn curry, sausage chili, reshad mackerel, that is mackerel stuffed with a Goan masala paste, and rice. So this was a really mini celebration for my mom today, and I'm pretty sure she must be very happy as she's watching from above and showering all the love on us. That's why I thought, why not keep up with the tradition and celebrate her today. I hope you all have loved and enjoyed today's vlog and enjoyed the recipe that I've shared. Do try it out and let me know how it turns out for you. And if you want the recipe of crepe shekshe and paneer masala, then do comment down and I will have the recipe posted for you all. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Until then, take care and stay safe.